Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to estimate AWS cost before launching any resources. So just search on the Google AWS Pricing Calculator. You will come upon this first link, and then here you will be adding resources. So you have to just first click on create estimate. Then whatever resources you are going to use for your application, that you can add here. So for example, I'm just adding here EC2 if I want to use and just add all the required details. For example, if you want to run 10 instances, and these are the types of instances which you can select, and some optional fields are there. Okay, EBS also if you want to do anything like IO per volume, how much you need and all. So I'll just save and add service. Then we can go for RDS if you want to use some database. Then if you want to go for Postgres, for example, and one node only, and this is of 100. Okay, it's in which value? Okay, anywhere, anything is fine. Okay, and then if you just do save and add service, wow, you can see the number here. It's almost how much? 100,000 and $1 lakh. It's too much, bro, too much. What's the summary? We'll see the summary. Amazon EC2 is only monthly cost is 10. RDS or Postgres is this much. Baapre. That's too much actually. So that's not actually the very means what you will just get an idea how much you will pay. It's not accurate. So in this way you can just look for the resources, and also if you are using a free tier, then you should be in a limit. Like if you cross it, then obviously you are going to pay some extra money. So just keep these things in mind, and that's all. And I hope this video might have helped you. So see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.